Good morning. It's Wednesday, July 8th, and the overnight tape leaned red across the board, with just about everything shaded lower into the open. The one thing that jumps off the page today is the QQQ, sitting at an IV rank of 82 with its IV percentile pinned near the ceiling, the highest strung name in the whole universe. Start with the VIX. We're at 17.6, up about 1.5 handles, a jump of roughly 9% on the day. That still puts us squarely in the normal band, the 15 to 20 zone where premium sellers can work without feeling like they're standing in front of a freight train. It's a lift in fear, not a regime change. Broad indexes were soft but orderly. The S&P 500 proxy off about 0.2% near 743, the Nasdaq proxy down 0.4 near 707, and small caps the laggard. The Russell 2000 fund down almost 1.5% to 292. Tesla and gold were soft too. Tesla down over 2% and gold off nearly 2%. Now the IV rank rundown. Walking the tightest names first. The Nasdaq proxy leads at an IV rank of 82, near $707, with its percentile essentially maxed out. Implied vol is rich here relative to its own year. Right behind it, Alphabet at an IV rank of 81, around 361, down about 1.5%. The options market is pricing this one like something's coming. IBM sits at 78, near 302, down a bit over 1%, and it's also carrying that pegged percentile reading. Utilities, the XLU fund, come in at an IV rank of 70, near $46, unusual for a sleepy sector to show up this high on the list, and Apple rounds it out at 68, near 311, actually the lone green name on the board, up 0.25% while everything else sold. A couple of watch items. Silver, the SLV fund, was the standout mover, down about 4.5% on the day, and its 30-day implied vol is running near 70. That is a genuinely wound-up instrument, so mind the whip. On liquidity, most of the universe rates 4, but the Euro fund FXE is thin at 2, and gold and IBM sit at 3, so expect wider spreads and worse fills there than the headline names. Nothing in the pack flags earnings today, but the vol premium clustering in Alphabet and IBM is worth keeping an eye on. Net read. This is a normal day. Vol firmed up but stayed in its lane. The selling was broad but shallow, and the richest premium is concentrated in a handful of single names rather than the index complex. Not a hands-off tape, not an aggressive one, a work your plan kind of morning. This video is for information and entertainment only. Nothing here is financial advice or a recommendation to buy or sell any security. Options involve substantial risk and are not suitable for everyone. Do your own research and size your own risk.